Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up, Emmanuel? How are you, mate? So I'm going to invite everybody. I'm going to invite people on social media too. Why the fuck not? Right. All right, gold is crashing. Yeah. Hold on. I am going to record myself, so bear with me. All right, hold on. There you go. All right, guys. So I'm live right now on YouTube. Here's the link. Join me because we're about to trade the U.S. Open. We're looking for U.S. equity shorts, possible U.S. dollar longs with a liquidity sweep set up on the U.S. dollar Mexican peso. Don't miss it out. Oh shit! Hold on, guys. Hold on. I did a live instead of. I did a live on Instagram instead of a story. Hold on. All right. All right, guys. So I'm going live on YouTube right now. We're looking at U.S. equity shorts and possible U.S. dollar longs by going long on the U.S. dollar Mexican peso on a sell side liquidity strip. Don't miss it. Here's the link. Join me now. Now, there you fucking go. Hello, Candace Casap, the creator. How are you guys? Good morning. Battery, yeah. Please change battery. Yeah. I mean, I need a new laptop. I'm buying a new laptop today. You know, this one, the one that I'm looking at right now. I mean, it's all fucked up. My battery just because I mean, laptops for me are just a tool, right, to make money. So, uh, I'm not the one that's going to, take care of a laptop like it's a baby. No, I run it. I run it hard. So my laptops last less than a year to me. And this one has been with me for a little bit over a year, but it's not. I mean, the battery is all swelled up and it doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna buy another one today. Right. So what's up? How was your weekend, guys? How was your weekend? King Bumblebee, don't lie. Carlo, buenas. Right, so what are we looking at? We're looking at a couple of good setups. I'm looking at a Russell 2000 short right here. Also looking at some gold longs, but some gold longs are for the swing trading group. That, my friends, I'm going to go through later on. Now, the reason I'm looking at the Russell 2000 shorts is because I'm looking at equity short, right? And this is the best setup that I had. So looking at this, all right. So let's start with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 remove drawings. Actually, you know what? We're going to do this, the Russell, and then we're going to look at the S&P 500 here. Now, the S&P 500 clear in a clear downtrend. Now, I want to go short. So the first thing that I do is look for the protected high. This is the swing high of my the swing high, the swing low, right? So I'm gonna start using something else, maybe a circle. This is the swing high, and here's that swing low. I dig it. So here's the swing high, here's the swing low. This is the 3-minute chart on the S&P 500, US 500. I myself trade the XPX. That is Ruan. How are you? Good afternoon. Good. I mean, it's 8 a.m. here, so good morning, mate. Benny Anderson, how are you, mate? I'm looking at here. This is the 1-minute chart in the S&P 500. Now here's that imbalance left on field on the S&P 500. Imbalance. Now we got that bearish order block around these levels. Eyeballing it, of course, but this is the one. Here's that bearish order block. Boom. And we have the swing high, right? Here's the structure high. So that would be where I want to put my stop losses, right? Structure high. Now, this bearish imbalance, bearish OB, and this imbalance are quite, there you go, much better. Straight lines on my charts, always straight lines. And we have that liquidity here. That's sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, I'm sorry. So, there is a couple of things that I want to see, right? I want to see price taking out those highs, this entire zone right here, right? I want to see price taking out these highs. This is the S&P 500, by the way, right? This is the S&P 500. Now, where I would put my entries here would be around just above my short position. Oh boy, just above that liquidity. You know, that below that imbalance, stop losses here. First targets would be the low of the structure for a 4R, around a 4R. But let's have a look at the hourly, at the 2-hour chart here on the S&P 500. Wow, look at this big week on the S&P 500, mates. Yeah, so that's the other reason that I took. We do have this, right? We do have all of this liquidity here, 1 hour on the hourly, and maybe possibly we have that. Let's have a look. That's a demand zone, the one that created this break of the structure right here, untapped. So basically I could be looking at a very nice possible, let's have a look, 7R on the S&P 500. Now these are my two setups. Maybe I am going to go with this boost, the you know, the SPY, or the S&P 500 rather than the Russell. I am going to place both actually. Can you please give me your opinion looking to short GBP yen at wow? There's an IC on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, sure, mate. Just give me a second because I'm going to place this. So, can we choose the most suitable time frame? What are you looking generally? Thank you. Mate, I look at the 2, 1, and 3-minute chart mainly. So I'm going to place that S&P 500 short, guys, because I want to get filled on my equity short. If I get filled on the S&P 500 short, then I will delete the Russell. Right. Where's the S&P 500? SPX 500. Aquí póngamelo. Gracias. Diga hola porque ahí salió, mire. That's my housekeeper saying hi to you guys. All right, so XPX 500. Oof, get a load of this. Very possibly taking shorts at 38.80.50. Sell limit here. 38. Stop losses above the highs. 38.97. Let's have a look. Oh boy. 38.97. 50. So here, uh-huh, 30, 38.97. That should be modified. There you go. All right, so I am going to be risking about 0.5% on this one. 0.12, place, and place. Remember that if I get filled on the S&P 500, I will end my targets here at the 37.65. All right, so I'm gonna send this to my VIPs. Sell limit at the 388. Control copy. Stop loss at the copy. Okay. And TP at the so this is a what? I am oh this is way too high. Pending order. Place. Boom. And my stop loss is a little bit too tight. I'm going to make it at the 98. Uh, yes, 98. Hold on, guys. I am 98 S&P 500. Boom. There you fucking go. 5%. Well, this is a very nice. Let's see, calculadora. Um, let's see. 92, 14, 92. So this is, my friends, a 6.5 R trade on the S&P 500. All right, so I'm sending this to my VIPs, of course. They come first. Boom. Okay, cool beans, baby. I am all set. Uh, should we keep the sell limit on the Russell 2000? Yes, I want to get triggered on US shorts. So if I get triggered on the S&P 500, then I will delete the Russell. Well, Chris, you have to choose the most suitable frame. You have to choose the most suitable time frame for you, mate. For me, it's the very low time frame, so I'm cool with it. Now, there you go. We do have this imbalance left of on field. We have a ton of stuff going on here on the S&P 500. Here's the 1 minute chart. Here's what I'm looking at. This is my trade setup, etc., etc. Let's see if we can actually get in on a trade. US equity short at the open. So we are looking at equity short at the open, guys. Let's have a look at gold, what gold is doing at the moment. Yeah, 1296, so boom, 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 boom. Closing on 10K subscribers. Really? Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, if you can subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. That would be freaking awesome. Now, let's wait for the open, guys. We're going to have a quick look at some of the markets that I'm looking at. Ruan wanted me to look at the pound yen. You know what? I don't trade the Japanese yen at the session open, but shorts on the pound yen do look good, in my opinion. Here's that protected high, of course, Brumba. Um, so liquidity sweep. Here's that bullish OB, bearish OB. Got more liquidity here, so it doesn't look bad. Yeah, I mean it's the setup, right? So the entry model. Just I don't trade this market on the U.S. session, and I mean this move is already gone to me. I'm looking at the U.S. dollar Mexican peso, by the way. This looks phenomenal. The US dollar Mexican peso, same entry model. Looking at this sell side liquidity. Chinga, chinga tu madre. Looking. What's your stop loss on S&P price? Yeah. Hold on, I'll give you that in just a second. Here we have the break of the structure. Um, Big ass imbalance. Looking at this, possibly at this zone right here. So I would put my I'm gonna wait and see what happens, but my longs here would be around this level. Let's have a quick look at something here. A little bit higher actually. Let's have a look. Oh boy, no. Ah, I forgot. Yeah, that's a good spot. Um, U.S. dollar Mexican peso yielding a very big risk to reward ratio, so we'll see what happens. Now, of course, I am looking at the S&P 500, and that's it. I don't know where you're getting, why you are getting. Okay. I don't know why you are getting invalid stop loss. These are my numbers, mate. Oof, good coffee. All right, let's create some more content. All right, guys. So we just placed this pending order. Oh yeah, the sun. This pending order on the SPY. The US 500 for some of you on the live show. You don't want to miss my live shows because we do trade live the US Open. Sometimes the London Open. Cool. Good, 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 good. Let's have a look. Um, yeah. Mimi's asking about he or she has a short on the S&P 500 already running in profits. So should he or she delete the pending order on the Russell? In my opinion, you should, mate, because oh my fucking good. Because why would you want to over leverage yourself in U.S. equities? I mean, that's what I would do. You do whatever you want to do. So heads up to U.S. dollar Mexican peso at the open. We are. Let's have a quick look at what happened on Bitcoin over the weekend. So this is a page where you can see the datamish.com is a page that I do enjoy looking at because you can see the actual liquidations over the past hour to over the past year. So in the past 2 days, 177 million worth of shorts were liquidated. Let's have a look at the 7 days. In a week, uh, shorts liquidated were 202. De nada, mi hijo, de nada. All right, come on, fill us in, motherfucker. This is just, have a look. Again, same thing, guys, same thing. I hate this. I'm going to delete this. I hate this. So, same thing, guys. This is, again, hold on. Just liquidity. Again, this is just liquidity, same highs, right? We need that liquidity sweep to get us, to trigger us in. If we don't get that liquidity sweep, my setup is not valid. So let's wait and see. US dollar Mexican peso, looking for that again, liquidity sweep to get in here around the 1860 level. Big risk to reward ratio on this one. That's my only two things that I'm looking at for the open. Woo! Orlando, where would you enter on US 100? My account is too small to trade S&P and Russell. I'm thinking let's have a look. Yeah, sure, mate. US 100. Here, around the 11,965, maybe 11,960 or so. Yeah, about that level. 11,978 is a little bit too high for me. I always want to get filled. That's why sometimes I have, a little bit of drawdowns in my trades. Oh shit! In North America, they changed the hour. What time is it in New York? God damn it! I missed it. New York time. Don't tell me the open is in about an hour or so. Shit. Or it already happened. Yeah, it already happened an hour ago. Well, we're trading the US session. Oh boy, that sucks. Oh man, Tim, thank you. Daylight savings. You know what? Why would you do this to people? Why would you fucking do this to people? I don't understand. What's the idea behind time lapse? I know the idea, but it fucking sucks. So the market opened 45 minutes ago. It doesn't matter, mates. It doesn't matter. We're trading the US session then. We're trading the US session. All right, so let's have a look at gold, what gold is doing. Gold is hippie and trippy and motherfucking trippy. Let's take a look at the pound yen. I'm not trading the pound yen. Let's have a look at the pound USD. The USD CAD not doing much. We're going to go to the 7-minute chart just to get a quick look at this. All right, come on, man. Fill us in on this short S&P. Very choppy couple of sessions. Yeah, lifetime changes. Ooh, have a look at this. I don't like this at all. There, we have no protected high here on the U.S. Aussie CAD. I don't trade this. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, mate. But you know what? We need to do it, right? So, and you know what? I was looking at something over the weekend. I was looking at something over the weekend, and yeah, I couldn't. I saw something about the daytime daylight saving swap or something, right? I did saw it, but I forgot about it. Because we don't use that here. In Central America. Yeah, plus there's tons of cicadas here, so I'm focusing on nature. All right, so we're going to wait for this S&P 500, right? If the S&P here we have a ton of liquidity. This is very cool. Said this setup or this trade is setting up very nicely. Liquidity. This is sell side liquidity that has built up here. So if we get a liquidity sweep on the high side, I mean this is a 1-2 boomerang slam dunk. We get a liquidity sweep here, then a liquidity sweep here. That's what we're looking for. That's what we want to trade, and the only way that we are going to enter that trade is by doing that. Is US 2000 on extend? I don't know. I have a short position in USD CAD entry. What's your viewpoint on USD CAD? I don't have a viewpoint on the USD CAD, mate. I barely trade the Canadian dollar. I focus on very little markets. My main focus is the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, gold, the Japanese yen, so the pound yen, the US dollar, mainly and broadly on the US dollar Mexican peso, and the US dollar Mexican peso, and some other markets for the USD. But that's it. I had an Ethereum idea, but look at this. It would have been a loss. Yeah, I also don't trade, cryptos. Very much. US 100, US 500, US 2000. Yeah, possibly we're going to have to delete this Russell 2000 and wait to get triggered on the S&P 500. Gold. Okay. Yeah, so I have a gold setup here. Um, this is my gold setup. I mean, if you know my entry model, you obviously know where I'm going to be placing these gold longs. And I am running with these gold longs until all-time highs. I'm not gonna share it though. This is a swing trade I'm looking at. I know that Ruan already saw that entry. Kudos, mate. Not too, damn it. Not too much going on today. So cheers from a pirate, a pip pirate. Right. Ooh, look at this crude. So look at this crude. Ooh. Now, I dig it. We could in fact take a short. This is way too soon to take a short on crude. I don't trade crude myself, so I'm not gonna take it. I don't have the data to back up my entry model in this market, right? So I'm eyeballing some possible, crude shorts here. Um, yeah, I'm digging everything about this possible setup, a possible 6R in crude, protected high, protected low, run up. Yeah, I'm digging the shit out of this one. And let's see. Yeah, spot on entry. Maybe I'll take it. I'll take it with a. You know what? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it with a very, 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 very small 0.2 percent. Um, yeah, 0.2% risk on this possible crude oil short. Uh-huh. I'm going to delete the Russell 2000, guys. I'm deleting the Russell 2000 and just sticking with the S&P 500. Deleting now. Uh-huh. US 500 short. So all right, so I'm going to place a very, very low, just to test, let's forward test this on crude. Yeah, so let's have a look at Brent. Same thing, so we're going to go with Brent. I like Brent. All right, guys, so let me just place this one and I'll guide you through my possible entry here. Brent. Brent. Right. So Brent is just creating liquidity at the moment. I'm looking at the minute chart, right? Brent is just creating liquidity at the moment here at the tops. I'm looking for that push up towards this level, right? Towards the 81.36. 81.36. Remember that sell limit and 82.01. Hold on, guys. Uh, 114. Okay, so Brent 114. I'm going to go with a very small risk, as I already told you. I'm going with a very small risk of 0.25%. So I am going to sell limit here. Hold on. 54, 48. So I'm sending this to my VIPs. Hold on, please. I'll be right with you guys. UK oil, Brent, sell limit. And I'm going to record the video for my VIPs because stop loss is at 78, 70, let's see, 78, 70, 78, 70, I don't know, 78, 70, that's fine. So, TP 78, 70, and risk is 0.25% or so. I think that's my risk. I don't know. Just going, copy, send, boom. Right, so Brent creating liquidity here. I need that push up towards that area. There you go. Brent pushing up. Let's get triggered at least on one of our fucking trades, right? So I am risking. Yeah, that's a good risk. All right, so let's run it down for VIPs. Boom. Shorts about to get triggered here in Brent. Ooh. Triggered short Brent. Trigger short Brent. All right, I'm trigger short Brent. Now let's wait and see what happens here, guys. Now this is a very, in my opinion, a very good setup. The rundown is quite easy. I'm going to go through it right now, guys. Pretty similarly, to the spoos or the SPY, Brent. Um, ooh, ah, para, pa, ooh, ah. Good, good coffee. Very small risk here on this Brent short. Yep, very small risk. So I'm going to place my lines, guys. Here's my bearish OB. Ooh, huh? Ah, we got a run up. Doesn't matter. Uh-huh. Very small risk on this one. Like I told you, the data. I'm lacking the data here, but I did like the setup here on shorts in Brent. Everything was pointing out, or everything is still pointing out at a very good liquidity sweep. Here's that liquidity. Boom, that OB just got mitigated. Structure high. All right, so here's that setup. Bearish OB here. Mitigation of my bearish OB, structure high, liquidity, and again more liquidity, pending liquidity here. All right, very possibly getting stuff out. I'm still rocking with this very small risk. I told you that that was a very small risk trade. All right, I'm still inside of that trade. Let's see what happens. That OB got mitigated, so let's rock it. You know, nothing has been said just yet about this trade, mates. So I'm gonna record. I am going to record this, video for my VIP. So listen up, guys. Yeah. There you go. Here it is. My entries here. All right, so I'm gonna record the video for my VIP. All right, guys, how are you? Orlando here. I just want to take a look at this crude oil short that I have running. Currently in a drawdown. My risk was very small because this is a market that I don't have enough data to support this entry model. I mean, I have back tested it, and what I'm looking at is a slam dunk possible short in this market. My entry was a little bit early, but because I want to get filled. So the bearish order block that created the break of the structure here has been mitigated, right? We have a big break of the structure here. Also, price created buy side liquidity here, and we had on tap liquidity here. I got filled, and now price has broken with the structure high, which means that we are going to get stopped out, which is fine. It's just a 0.25% loss. Or let's see if I got stopped out. I have not gotten stopped out just yet, but price breaking with the structure high doesn't look that hot. In my opinion, I am still on this trade because my stop losses are a little bit too wide. right now it is a break it or make it, in my opinion. All right. Yeah, let's have a look at what's going on with the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 still moving around, the same range. Uh-huh. Send. All right, so I'm still in on this Brent short, but it's not looking very good, mate. I'll be honest with you. S&P 500 looking to trigger us in, and yeah, I mean, I don't see anything else that we could be in fact looking for. I'm going to wait for that U.S. dollar Mexican peso here. It's gonna take a while for that U.S. dollar Mexican peso to reach my area. I'm waiting for that S&P 500, of course, and just got stopped out short on UK oil. Very small loss. Very, very small loss. And I mean, yeah, but the setup was there. That's a lesson for you guys to always have the data and always trade the same markets. This is the reason that I always trade the same markets, right? Because I have the data that backs all my trading decisions. In this UK oil, I mean, we could in fact see price going down from these levels, right? But I'm not going to get in again. I already got stopped out. But maybe my stop loss was a little bit too not wide enough. Maybe not. Are the subtleties that I don't know about this market. The setup is the same as always, but the subtleties in the market are the ones that I don't know. I don't have the data on them. So let that be a lesson for you guys. But very small loss. I'm going to take. I'm going to to finish my show here. Um, and hold on. Yeah, I'm going to finish my show here. There's nothing going on. I'm gonna wait for this. I'm gonna wait to get filled on my S&P 500 shorts, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on the VIP side. Thank you for joining me, and I'll be very careful tomorrow about the daytime savings. See you.